Hello people of YouTube and welcome back to another thing that I'm doing on the internet. Another Photoshop tutorial. Yay, because you enjoyed the last one so much and gave me so much feedback that I decided it was only right to bestow another one upon you. Yeah. Anyway, if you are a stalker and pay very close attention to my channel, you may have noticed that in the last 3 days I got switched over to the one channel layout, which sucks immense balls. But that's not what this is about. Basically, because I had to change over, I completely changed the entire look of my page. So, I'm just going to assume everyone on the internet's a complete idiot and don't know how to make a background for their channel. So I'm going to show you how. Yeah. Anyway, so first step is to make a new image. This is all up on YouTube's website on what size to make it, but basically it's 2560 pixels wide by 1440 pixels high. That's the standard size that they want you to use. So yeah. Anyway, also on their website they have this thing, which is a channel spec, which is basically it's like a grid to kind of line out which areas you should put stuff. Yeah, here, I'll show you. Like, there it is there. You can't really see it, but this is the area, this red area is where you should put all your stuff. It's called the safe area, and anyone who's on, even the smallest devices will be able to see this area at the very minimum. And then the purple area is where the tablet might be able to see, and the green area is where maximum size desktops will be able to see. So anyway, just a little trick. If you have this, and you can download it on our website, I'll put a link in the description. Bring it over to your document, and it's a PNG, so if you open it straight up, it might be a smart layer, so just rasterize it. Then go to select color range, select white, do that, and then delete everything. And there's no real difference, but if I change my background to black, you can see I've got this, I've got this laid over. So then you're just going to make this the right size, and now you've got a layout with which you can use to plan out your thingamajigger. Yay! So you can turn down the opacity to see what you're actually doing. But since this is kind of a very simple, vague tutorial, I will give you more because I'm a generous person. Anyway, I'm going to show you how to make a simple 3D text that I used in my one. You can see it there. It's not that complicated. But what I did to make this one is typed out the thing I wanted to be my text. There we go. There's a good example. Now what you're going to do is you can rasterize it, you don't need to, but just drag it down and make a copy of the layer, then press Ctrl T or Command T if you're an asshole. I mean a Mac user, sorry. That was completely unintentional. Then hold down Alt, click the side, and just drag it in ever so slightly. Then press Enter. Take your copy and just keep repeating that process. You can do it as many or as few times as you like, depending on the effect you want to get, like how deep you want to make this 3D-ness. So I'll do that. Then what you gotta do is you gotta take your original layer, take it up to the top, right? Select all your copies, rasterize them by right clicking and go to rasterize type. Then press Command E or go to layer merge. There it is. Merge layers. So basically you've got all the 3D-ness in one layer. Then what you're going to do is change the color. So you can either select all of it, or I'm just going to use hue and saturation, which is Control U, and then just darken it down a bit. And actually that's so big it didn't actually make a difference. Boo me. But oh god, that actually made no difference whatsoever. What a nasty man I am. Tricking you, YouTube. I'll do it a few more times. Shut up. Time lapse. Okay, there, you kinda get the idea now. This one didn't work very well. It worked better here, but you get the idea. And that's a kind of weird, cool 3D effect that you can use. There's probably some other complicated way to do this, but that's the way I do it. So shush your face. Anyway, until next time that I decide to bestow knowledge upon your faces, goodbye, people of YouTube.